Today we're going to make a delicious chocolate protein mug shake. So simple, great for a snack or breakfast or even a dessert. We're going to use the doTERRA whey chocolate protein. It has 22 grams of protein available and 8 grams of fiber. So we are going to start with that. To that we are going to add an egg. And a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to add a packet of Truvia. I tried it without the Truvia, the stevia blend, and you could eat it, but it lacked a little something. I'm going to add a drop of peppermint. It won't take much because peppermint is so strong. There we go. Oh, well, we got 2. We're going to have a really pepperminty chocolate thing. And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of water. We will mix that up really well. Just to give it to rate. You can leave it like this. It is good. Just to add a little extra spice, I'm going to throw in just a few mini chocolate chips, because I really like chocolate. You can use the Lily's chocolate chips that are stevia sweetened too if you want to stay away from the sugar. But that's not hardly any chocolate chips. Get most of it down in the jar and not on the sides. And then we're going to microwave it for a minute. So this is what my mug looks like. Going to put a plate on top and flip her over. Give it a little shake and out it pops. So there's a little moisture on the bottom, but that's okay. Now that we've let it cool, we're going to do the important taste test. This is super good. And my brain is already running around saying, what else could we put in here to change it up a little bit? Instead of the peppermint oil, we could do the super mint oil. Wild orange would be good. The vanilla. How about adding coconut or nuts? Comment below how you would tweak this recipe and what you would want to add to make it your own unique recipe. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.